So last night I got on the IKEA room planner and I thought this might be a way to kind of flesh out this idea about the shipping container. So let me just show you what I put together here. So here's the floor view. You can kind of see it from the sky here, and some of these measurements I'm not sure are completely accurate, but here's the man door and here's the sliding glass door. We're going to put a window here, and then there's a window here in the bedroom, a short window on the back side of the wall. And we have these three windows here on the south side. So I put those all in. Here's the living area with a little couch, one of these IKEA chairs. And then we move over here into the kitchen. I put a little fridge and some cabinets. So this is probably missing a few pieces of cabinetry. And there's this gap here that this kind of gives us a little wiggle room. We may need to adjust this over, switch this kitchen just a little bit as we get down the road. Right here I put a space for a washer, and then there'll be some storage space above it. And then this is the bathroom. There's a 36 by 36 shower here. I'm not sure we're going to use something quite that big. We may do a 32 by 32, but that's there. Small sink, and then our composting toilet here. This will have a barn door on it or a pocket door that slides closed. And then this space will also have a pocket or a barn door, and this will also have a pocket and a barn door. So this is a PAX closet size from IKEA. They have their PAX system, and so I just figured that's going to be a great way to do a closet. And then I put a little drawers and cabinets and stuff here. This is a queen size bed with a couple of end tables and some lamps, and so let me show you. If you do the 3D line view in here, you can kind of spin this around and see kind of what this looks, like from that standpoint. That's kind of looking down the hall there, looking in through the kitchen. If we come over here and orbit right, we can also zoom out, which works out really kind of cool. So we can kind of reach around here. So it kind of gives you a little look. We can tilt this up and kind of look down and what this would look like. So then if we do it into the 3D view, they put some textures. I don't know how accurate this floor color is. It's kind of an oaky color. This is probably not the couch we're going to put here, but I mean, it helps us just kind of understand the spacing in here a little bit. So we just tilt this down. You can just see this is really close. One of the things I wanted to do is actually put a wood-burning stove in here. But I just don't see how we're going to be able to do it unless we could fit something like in that corner or something just crazy small. But if we spin out this way, and we can zoom in here a little bit on that kitchen. There's the little fridge, there's the counters. And we put these glass cabinet doors in here on the top. I've seen that. If we were to do this, this would probably also be glass, and you can frost that glass. It looks pretty nice. There's the washer again. And I always like this little table from IKEA because it doesn't, you have a support for these, where those other tables that kind of go up and down, the hinges can break on them and stuff, and this also has some storage space. So I've always really liked this. Victoria pointed it out to me. And we'll put some folding chairs, and so the idea is this is designed for two people, and it can handle four. So we'll get another couple of these folding chairs. I don't know, they may store here in this space here. I mean, you're going to have to use every drop of storage in something like this, right? So that kind of spins us out to there, back through the bedroom. It gives you kind of that feel. Oh, that's the wrong side. Anyway, there's the closet, and that you can see again, the bathroom pieces. They didn't actually have those. That I could model them in there, but I think this gives us a good feel. One of the things is it's just really narrow, and so we're going to have to use kind of a color palette with a lot of beige or white. So we'll probably do a lot of eggshell or antique white type colors. I don't want to just stark white because that's too harsh. And then there's going to be a lot of metal in here. This is all stainless steel, and we'll probably leave most of that in there for right now. And that's pretty much it. That's what it's looking like.